Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today, I'm going to do a vlogging setup. It's been a while since I've done one of these. So this vlogging setup is the most simplest one that you can do. It costs about, I would say, under $100 for this one, using your iPhone that you already have, I'm pretty sure. If you're an Android user, it's okay too. We accept you in this, but it's gonna be the same setup for Android user, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and roll this clip. All right guys, so here you have, this is set up right here. All it's missing right here is actually the little microphone, which I'm using right now to record. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna put this together. I'm gonna show you this. This is the mini tripod from Per Gear. This came free with one of my gimbal that I bought, but this one's tiny, tiny, tiny. Look at this, my hands, it's fit in the palm of my hand. It's really tiny. And then the other thing that I wanna show you is this little thing right here, which goes on top of this. The reason why you want one of these is so that you can unscrew this and this thing will swivel. That's very important because, I mean, from a vlogging standpoint, you actually don't really need this setup, but it's nice to have it around just in case if you want to do some kind of time lapse or something like that. This will actually tilt the camera up, and then I have this piece, this clamp right here that clamps it. The difference between this one is that it's not one of those where it has a spring loader where you push this out and put the phone in. This actually has a little button right here that comes up, and then what you do is you get your phone and you just put it up on here. What I like to do is I actually like to do it all the way down here because my buttons is right here. I like to do it like at the bottom of the phone, and then I just lock that in like that. So there you have it. This is kind of how I'm using to record some kind of time lapse or anything like that. As you can see, it's out of the camera's way. If you know iPhone 11, they come with a wide angle camera, so you don't want anything to obstruct in it. That's why I have this much room on it. Yep, so there you have it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this little mic right here, I'm gonna put it up on top right here. And so that's kind of how I would vlog if I were in a place where I'm just by myself and I want good audio. So let's give that a try, okay? So there you have it. This is it right here. This is the Rode mic. Guys, if I've had this thing since 2 to 3 years now. It's been 2 to 3 years now, and this dead cat is so good. I mean, if you're outside and the wind condition is harsh, actually, you know what, let me just put this thing on because it is a little bit windy out here and I'm afraid that this audio may not come through. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing up on here. I forgot to mention that these two items right here you will need if you're gonna use an iPhone. This obviously is the adapter that comes with the iPhone for those headsets. You know, we love these. Not really. So I'll plug that in there. And then you kind of have to buy this piece. You don't have to necessarily buy from Rode, but you're gonna need something like this where it has the 3 rings. So basically this goes into the iPhone there. And then this will go into a mic like this. And a mic like this has 2 rings on it. In order to make these type of mic work with an iPhone, you're gonna need the 3 rings, adapter. The mic always have these 2 rings, and so it goes on the other end. And there you have it. All right, so let's test out the audio quality of this one. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on. And there you have it. You can see me in there. I'm gonna record the video. All right, guys, so this is the audio that's coming from the external mic. What do you guys think? It blocks out the sound quite a bit in the background there. if I turn my camera, you're gonna see that a little water feature back there that's making a lot of noise. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the mic up on top here, and then I'm going to test the audio and let you guys see how that works. Okay, you ready? I'm going to unplug this. There you go, I unplugged it. Now the audio should be coming straight from the camera. Not sure if it sounds any good or not, but you can probably hear the water feature in the background. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna plug it back in, let you guys hear the difference. There you go. It's plugged back in. Hopefully it's coming through the mic now. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is the setup right here. I'm gonna show you guys one more time before I show you guys another way. This is with the iPhone. It has a Rode external mic along with a Rode adapter that goes into the iPhone adapter. That's how you get the audio. And then you have a couple of clamps that are keeping things together. And once again, the reason why we would have a clamp and a mini tripod is so that just in case if you want to do like a time lapse or something like that, you have some place to put it down. And if you're vlogging, you probably might consider just doing a little time lapse, especially if it's a beautiful day. Guys, so that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's just a little something that I put together. Hopefully if you are just starting out vlogging, starting out YouTubing, you know, you don't have to spend tons of money, but I do recommend this Rode microphone here. It is fantastic. And then if you're thinking of doing, you know, if you want to add a little pizzazz into your vlog, I recommend using the little mini tripods. All links down below. If you guys like this video, let me know down below. If you have questions, do that too. Write it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as much as I can. This one right here will cost you probably under $100 and it will get you going. The Rode mic is probably the only expensive thing that you'll have to buy. It's cost about $55 right now. Totally recommend it. It's gonna bring your audio quality to the next level. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next episode. All right, have a good one, guys. Bye bye.